Another unboxing. A white package. Yeah, I got a knife. Oh, what could be inside this little package? I will tell you what. If you're a DJ, you kind of need this. So, perusing the interwebs, always interesting, always looking at stuff, always looking for things, and you come across things once in a while, and this is an ad I saw multiple times on Facebook about this little, it shows you a little video about a tool set, and you can do quite a bit with it. So I saw it, I ordered it, it came in. I ordered it, I want to say, quite a bit ago, because let's see here, I want to say I ordered it in June. Definitely, let's say I ordered it in June. So I ordered it, and it took a little while because it came directly from China. And the company that shipped it, it's someplace in China, and they put their sticker over the sticker from China. I had to go through customs and all the fun stuff. GOFO. They're in Franklin Park for, I guess they're some kind of shipping company that kind of like a mini version of maybe UPS kind of thinking, logistics company that delivered it. I didn't hear a big trucker to that. Maybe they had small vehicles. Maybe they hire a contractor. They pull up their car and drop it off. But again, I saw this because of the versatility of it with tools, and having something for screws and stuff like that to get into is a good thing to have. Now I have screwdrivers, I have socket sets, I have tons of stuff, but with electronics, it's always smaller, finer things. With electronics, it's smaller, finer things. And I'm just looking. All right, I think I got a plan here. You can see. I'm cutting the shipping tape on the outside of this, and I'm going to cut. This is a blister pack, so it has all the little air pockets in it. A bubble pack, and it's a box. Multi-purpose ratchet set that's on it. You guys can't see it. The light is bouncing off of this. Man, I got the light on low and everything. It says 24 in 1. So okay, open this up. And slide out of the box. Has this cool little baggie over it. And have this cool little case. Hopefully everything doesn't fall out. Oh, there it is. Let's see here. It had some Torx. It has Phillips. It has flathead. Hold on one second. Alright, sorry about that. Had to sneeze some more. This is Toolsons. 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 This is pretty cool because, again, you have tons of bits. And then you have this... Oh, this has a little weight to it. This metal tool here, kind of like a ratchet. You got a forward and backwards, it looks like, right here on a ratchet. And this centerpiece. Ratchets. I wouldn't put a ton of torque on this, but like one of the things it shows to get a little more torque is you can do this and have a little ratchet. You can do this and have spinning ratchet. You can do this, just have a single tool that can go in and unscrew something or do something. So a lot of times with speakers or other electronics, you have small tight areas for screws, and having something that I could put in, there's a magnet in there, I could feel that. And it's held in by a magnet, the piece. So if I could go in there and screw something in, that is cool. And this is held in by a magnet too. So there's a magnet in here. Can you... Yeah, I could do that. I give a shorter piece in the center. Put a longer piece out there. So I could swap. Will that fit in there? Yeah. So you could take this bit do that. Do without an extension. So very versatile. Very versatile tool. So put it back to the original. And again, this part right here, I can have a really long screwdriver to go in somewhere. This is cool. Can ratchet things. I mean, yeah, it's a smaller ratchet. I would probably won't put, do anything really serious, but some things you're doing around the house, you need a small screwdriver for. I mean, yeah, it's got torque bits. Goes up to an H8 bit for a hex. So it's hex and torque. See here, it starts at a T6, goes up to a T27. For hex, it starts at a 1.5 to an 8. So I take a 8mm because, you know, metrics and all. I want American. I want fractions. It seems to be pretty well held in there to bits. I wouldn't. Oh. Okay. Only thing that came out was this. So I wouldn't knock it. Yeah, I wouldn't knock it over because the bits go flying. But in the little case, you can hear stuff moving around in it. But it sounds like it's the tool itself just coming out of its little, you know, bounce around in a tray. But the bits are all there. So for this, it's going to go on to the van. And like before, it's a multi-tool set from Toolsons. Got through PayPal. Again, the ads are on Facebook all the time. And I see the ads on Facebook all the time. And I definitely would say that for what I see here, pretty cool. Price-wise, it was $3.49 for shipping protection, and then $35 for the actual tool set, and then $4.99 for shipping itself. So $43.47 was the total before taxes. So if it's something that you gotta get taxed on, I guess you got to claim it and then pay the tax separately. But for $45, you know, again, I would probably say that's a pretty. It's more expensive. You probably go to Home Depot get something similar to it. Probably for cheaper. But I don't know. I'm going to start using it and testing it and see how well it works. It's like anything else. You need to have right tools for stuff, and I have lots of small things with lots of screws, you know, even around the house, just stuff like that. So this will get some use out of it, especially you're putting things together or taking things apart. All right, make sure you click like, subscribe, follow. Share with some friends. Tell people about it. And, you know, if you get a chance, you go over to the other channel, to TBM Productions DJ1, my main channel. That's where we talk about DJ stuff. I'm a wedding DJ. And this is the review and drive channel. So if you like long rides, I got some long rides you can watch. And I got also, you know, reviews, unboxings, fun stuff. But this is pretty cool. You know, time will tell if it was worth the $44 or $43. I'll say $44. It was worth the $44 for that. Time will tell. I don't understand. You guys have a good day. And thank you for watching.